Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by connecting the iPhone with a reliable cable, then unlock and tap Trust when prompted so the computer can access device data. Once the device appears in Finder or iTunes, make sure software is up to date. Outdated apps block backups. Now choose whether to enable Encrypt Backup. Do this if you want passwords and health data preserved. After that, select Backups this computer. You're ready to initiate the first manual backup and keep control over where data goes. You now configure the backup details. Select your iPhone in Finder or iTunes, pick this computer, and toggle Encrypt Backup if required. Set a memorable password for encryption. Click Backup now and monitor the progress bar. Large media libraries or slow USB ports lengthen the process. If storage is tight, pause to remove unused backups or exclude heavy app data before starting. Once copying begins, avoid disconnecting. Interruptions corrupt archives. After completion, confirm the timestamp and backup size listed in the app. You finish by verifying the backup. Check the timestamp and file size inside Finder or iTunes, and optionally test a partial restore on a spare device to confirm integrity. Next, archive the backup by copying the folder to external storage for redundancy. If something goes wrong, first update iOS, Finder/iTunes, and computer drivers, then retry with a different cable or USB port. Also temporarily disable antivirus or VPN software that blocks device access. If issues persist, restart both devices and repeat the backup process.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.